So here's how to fix Marvel Rivals not launching or not opening on Windows 11. So what you can do is open your Steam library and then click on Marvel Rivals and then click on Properties and go to Installed Files section. So for example, this section here, Installed Files, and you want to click on Verify the integrity of game files and then wait for this process to finish verifying the files. Next, you want to close this and then go to Manage section, right click on the game, go to Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. And in here, you want to right click the exe file of Marvel Rivals, and then go to Properties, and in here, Compatibility section. You want to check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as admin. Click Apply and OK. Next, you want to close this. Then you want to open your device manager, right click on the start button and then go to device manager. And in here you want to expand display adapters, select your main GPU, right click update drivers. Now search automatically for drivers. Now if you don't find any drivers in here, you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And in here, if you find any pending updates, you should download and install them. You can also go to the advanced options, optional updates, and if you see any GPU related update in here, so check the box next to it and click on download and install. Now you can close this. Then you can close the device manager. Now if you have the GPU app installed, for example the NVIDIA app in here for my GPU, you should open it, otherwise you should download and install it. Then go to drivers section and make sure you have the latest driver by checking with this button, and then click on download and install to install the latest game ready driver. Then you can close this and then try to restart Steam as admin. So you want to close Steam and then restart it as admin. And then you want to confirm and come to Marvel Rivals and try to launch the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.